Some Dodge Caravans have a cabin air filter. It filters the air coming through the AC and heat before it gets out of the vents. So, if there's anything in that filter, dirt, debris, animals, whatever, you're breathing that in inside the vehicle. So it's always a good idea to replace it. However, not all vehicles are equipped with it, but I'll show you how you can check it and how to change it. So first, locate the glove box. The glove box. Open the glove box, and on each side, on the left and right side, there's a little tab. If you push in, it will detach. Now this is a two-handed operation. I recommend doing both at the same time to make life easy. And it just drops down. Now, you're going to look inside and see if there is a filter. If you see a panel that has a clip on each side, then that means that it does have a cabin air filter. You're going to press on each clip and pull, and the panel will come off, and that's where the filter hides. Okay. There we go. Yay, success. There it is. Now, there's the filter. That's where it's hiding. Let's get a better look at that. Is the filter. Oh no, that looks really grungy already. Oh boy, this should be interesting. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Just pull it forward. Hey, hopefully it's not super bad. I don't want to tell you horror stories I've already been through. Oh, nice. That's actually not that bad. Whew. Alright, we got lucky. Sweet. And you can see where it is in there. Little critters like to nest there. Alright, so we have nice new cabin air filter. This particular part fits many different years of Caravans. So you're going to take it out the box. It's the hardest part of this whole process. There it goes. And what's really cool is it gives you an arrow which way is facing up or down. And you're just going to put it in the same way we took it out, which is a lot easier if you can see where it is. There we go. See? Snug as a bug in a rug. Now, I'm going to take the panel that we took off and put it back on. However, I need two hands for that. Alright. Put this thing right back on here. Oh, it helps if I can see what I'm doing. Alright, all good. Now you're going to push on each side of the glove box to get the little tabbies to pop up back inside. You want to pull on it, make sure it's secure, so that way when you put all your stuff back in, it doesn't fall out. Close it up, and you are all done.